In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on or off low power mode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then scroll down until you find battery, and that's where you can enable or disable low power mode simply by turning on or off that switcher. Low power mode, as you can see, is now disabled. I can tap at that button to turn it on, and it will temporarily reduce background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.